all. I hope you all are good and happy. So today we are going to begin with the lesson number 11, that is Tom Sawyer's Paints the Fence 1. So let's begin with this lesson. Tom Sawyer Paints. In this chapter part, we are going to study about the part 1 of Tom Sawyer Paints the Fence 1. Before that, in this chapter, children will learn about read and comprehend, and hence they will enhance their vocabulary. Here, Adventures of Huckleberry is another classic story written by Charles Dickens, Mark Twain, or Enid Blyton. You have to search it and pick the correct on it. So, Tom Sawyer was a 12-year-old boy. Tom Sawyer क्या था? 12 साल का बच्चा था with a big job. एक बड़ी सी जॉब थी. One morning he had to paint a 90-foot long fence. उसको 90 फुट की लॉन्ग फेंस को एक मॉर्निंग पेंट करना था. It was hot day, बहुत गर्मी थी उस दिन, and he could hear everyone in the neighborhood talking and laughing. और वो हर किसी को सुन पा रहा था neighborhood में हंसता हुआ बात करता हुआ. He put his brush in the paint and painted some of the fence. उसने अपना ब्रश पेंट में डाला और कुछ फेंस को पेंट भी कर दिया. Then he did it again and again. उसने फिर से करा. Then Tom thought about all the fun things he could be doing. Tom ने हर चीज सोची fun thing जो वो कर रहा था. He thought about swimming or climbing trees. उसने सोचा swim करने की और climb करने के trees को. Just then Tom's friend Jim walked by. उसी टाइम Tom का friend Jim walk कर गया. He was carrying a bag of groceries. वो carry कर रहा था bag groceries के. Hey Jim, will you help me paint this fence? क्या मदद करोगे paint करने के इस fence को? Asked Tom. Sorry Tom, my mom says I have to get these groceries. Sorry Tom, मेरी mom ने बोला मुझे groceries लेके आ रही है home lunch के लिए. Answered Jim. That's okay Jim, I will take. Okay Jim, मैं ले आऊँगा. I will take those groceries and you can paint the fence. मैं वो जो groceries लिया वो तो fence paint कर देगा. I will come as soon as I am finished. मैं उसी टाइम आ जाऊँगा जिसमें मैं finish करूँगा. Tom said with me. Oh no, Tom, my mom said you had tried to make me paint the fence. Oh no, Tom, my mom said you had tried to make me paint the fence. तुमने try करा मुझे paint कराएगा fence को. Sorry, Tom watched Jim walk down the street. Tom ने देखा street walk down करते हुए. He started painting again. वो फिर से paint करने लगा, but he got bored. वो bore हो गया. Then he heard his friend Van Rogers walking down the street. Man वो walk down करते जा रहा है streets पे. Ben was pretending to be an airplane. वो ऐसे pretend कर रहा था कि वो airplane है. He made loud airplane noise. वो loud airplane की noise कर रहा था and ran around the street और street पे ran कर रहा था. After a while he walked थोड़ी देर बाद. Hi Tom, it looks like you have a you have a lot of work today. Hi Tom, मुझे लग रहा है तुम्हारे पास बहुत सारा work है. Ben said, what? Oh, hello Ben, I didn't even know you were here. Oh, hello Ben, मुझे पता नहीं था तुम यहाँ हो. Tom answered without looking at him. I'm going for swimming today. मैं swimming के लिए जा रहा हूँ. Don't you want to go for swimming? क्या तुम नहीं करते swimming? I guess you like to work, Ben said. Tom मुझे लगता है तुम्हें work करना ज़्यादा पसंद है. Ben ने Tom से बोला. Ben was making fun of Tom. Ben Tom का fun कर रहा था. But Tom didn't stop thinking. Tom was thinking, work. This isn't work, man. Man couldn't believe it. Ben ऐसा believe नहीं कर रहा था. Don't tell me you like painting the fence. मुझे ये मजा आता है painting पसंद है fence करना Tom. It's not very every day you paint a fence. ये रोज करते आप सामने जो paint करते हो fence को. Tom said while painting the fence. Tom ने fence को. An expert from Adventures of Tom Sawyer by Mark Twain. So this is given by Expert Adventures of Tom Sawyer by Mark Twain. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you have understood the story of Tom Sawyer Part 1. So see you in the next